Is it the right time to buy or sell Heritage Insurance Holdings stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Heritage Insurance Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, November 27, 2023. And today, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. We wouldn't want you to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since October 24, 2023, our system has ranked Heritage Insurance Holdings as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.00. Now, let's take a closer look at how the stock has performed during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has exceeded our expectations, with a remarkable gain of 78.57% since we first recommended buying Heritage Insurance Holdings 24 days ago. In fact, this translates to an average daily return of 3.27% since it was listed as hold/accumulate. Our system indicates that there is high volatility and risk for the following trading day, as denoted by the score of 0. Given the latest developments, we are unable to determine the stock's next direction, as it could go either way. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating even stronger growth ahead. If there is any pullback, there will be support around $8.44, which could provide a second opportunity for gains. Based on fan theory, the next potential resistance level is $10.43, which may be difficult to surpass initially. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected 57.19% change in the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 4.04% to 36.06%. The 12-month trend suggests a significant 197.87% change over the next year, with potential returns ranging from 72.54% to 140.97%. This translates to a price range of $16.82 to $23.49 after 12 months. Our latest update for Heritage Insurance Holdings brings an important headline: high volatility in Heritage Insurance Holdings Inc. stock price on Monday, which ended trading at $9.75. On the last trading day, which was Monday, November 27, 2023, the stock price of Heritage Insurance Holdings Inc. showed a 15.52% gain, going up from $8.44 to $9.75. Throughout the day, the stock had a fluctuation of 17.46%, moving from a low of $8.33 to a high of $9.79. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances, marking a 31.94% increase over the past 2 weeks. Additionally, the volume of shares traded on the last day increased along with the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, there were 721,000 more shares traded compared to the previous day, with a total of 1 million shares being bought and sold, resulting in a trading value of approximately $11.16 million. Looking at the stock's performance over the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded was $9.79, while the lowest price was $1.47. Currently, the price is 0.41% or $0.0400 below the 52-week high and 53.75% or $11.33 below the all-time high on January 5, 2016, when the price reached $21.08. According to analysts, Heritage Insurance Holdings stock has received a general buy rating. The P/E ratio and price to book are both rated as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Heritage Insurance Holdings. The stock of Heritage Insurance Holdings Inc. has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relation between these two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is expected support from the price levels at $8 and $6.53. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, October 16, 2023, and since then, the stock has risen by an impressive 93.45%. This indicates a further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, it's important to note that there have been some negative signals as well, which may have an impact on the short-term development of the stock. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently showing a sell signal. Today, we're going to explore some interesting signals that can help guide your investment decisions. Let's dive in. First up, we have the moving average convergence divergence. This signal indicates a sell trend. Next, let's take a look at the pivot signal, which suggested a buy opportunity 30 days ago. We also have the Bollinger signal, which pointed towards a buy opportunity 17 days ago. Now, let's discuss the short-term moving average signal, which indicated a sell trend 6 days ago. On the other hand, the long-term moving average signal showed a buy opportunity 27 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 21 days ago. Taking a closer look at the 12-month chart, we can observe the following. The short moving average signal indicated a buy opportunity 23 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average signal also suggested a buy opportunity 223 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 217 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at stockinvest.us. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Heritage Insurance Holdings. When it comes to support levels, we can see that the stock has some important levels to keep an eye on. Just below today's level, we have support at $7.56 and $7.45, which is determined by accumulated volume. Support levels play a crucial role as they indicate a potential level where the stock might bounce back. However, if the support level is broken, there's a chance the stock could fall further to the next support level. In the case of Heritage Insurance Holdings Inc., the next support levels would be at $7.56, followed by $7.45 and $7.39. Now, let's talk about the risk involved with this stock. Heritage Insurance Holdings Inc. is currently considered to be high risk. This is because the stock has a tendency to experience significant price movements throughout the day, also known as volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, suggests a large prediction interval for this stock. It's important to be aware of the risks associated with high volatility stocks. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it has been quite volatile. In the last day alone, the stock moved $1.46 between its highest and lowest points, which is equivalent to a 17.46% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 9.31%. This information can give us an idea of the stock's recent price movements and the potential for future volatility. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Heritage Insurance Holdings, let's begin by covering some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A lower P/E ratio may suggest that investors have lower expectations for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. Moving on to other news, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled to be released on March 17, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.450. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, let's explore potential day trading levels for Heritage Insurance Holdings. As we analyze the stock, we observe that there are no significant obstacles from accumulated volume above. This implies that under favorable circumstances, the stock could experience a rapid upward movement. In such a scenario, it might be wise to enter a position and utilize volume as a guide for determining when to exit. On the downside, Heritage Insurance Holdings encounters its initial support level at $7.56. If this support level remains intact, it could present a promising entry point, with the potential for a rebound. The average rating for Heritage Insurance Holdings from multiple analysts is buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On June 19, 2023, Barlas Irene bought 9,662 shares of common stock as an insider. On June 19, 2023, Whitcomb Richard A. purchased 9,662 shares of common stock as an insider. On June 19, 2023, Bersay Mark S. conducted an insider transaction by buying 9,662 shares of common stock. On June 19, 2023, Pappas Nicholas George made an insider purchase of 9,662 shares of common stock. On June 19, 2023, Vadamadam Joseph acquired 9,662 shares of common stock as an insider. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 79.889. Overall, insiders bought 2,716,640 shares and sold 83,459 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $9.41, which is a decrease of 3.44%. It's important to note that this stock experiences high daily movements, which increases the level of risk involved. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 78, indicating a substantial increase in risk. We also have a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 29 days ago. Is Heritage Insurance Holdings stock a good buy? While Heritage Insurance Holdings Inc. has some positive signals, we believe it is not yet a strong buy candidate. Currently, it would be more prudent to consider it a hold candidate or accumulate more shares as we wait for further development. We have slightly downgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a strong buy to a hold/accumulate candidate due to some minor weaknesses in the technical picture. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, November 28, we anticipate Heritage Insurance Holdings to open with a decrease of $0.459 and start trading at $9.29. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that stockinvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we want to share our current view of the stock market. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.